the Magicshine Ray 2600B.
Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Magicshine Ray 2600B bicycle front light. I'll go over specs, features, and then show the light in use. Inside, it comes with a user manual. You get the light, you get a control switch, the handlebar mount, various straps, plastic tie wraps, USB-C charging cable, a GoPro style mount, and an Allen key. So going over some specs, this has 2600 lumens with a beam distance of 183 meters, and it's also water resistant. It has app integration, and you can control many of the functions on the app, which we'll go over shortly. You can control the light sensor button, the vibration sensor, the different modes, brightness. It has a constant mode, SOS, a slow flash, and a quick flash. As far as the runtime, you can see here on the chart. Taking a look at the light, you can see it's pretty compact. It's got that aluminum solid housing. You have the two lights in the front. On the top, you have the sensor along with the power button, and then you can toggle the different modes. And on the back here, you have the USB-C charging port. And then the bottom, you have the Garmin style mount. So taking a look at the mount, you have the strap that will go around the handlebar. And then once it's secured, you want to tighten it with the supplied Allen key. And then attaching it, just line it up like this and then twist. And you should hear it click. So taking a look at some of the functions of the light, this has a lockout mode, so you don't accidentally turn it on. So I'm pressing the power button, you can see it's blinking red and it's not going on. To disable that, you just want to hold down the power button for 3 seconds until it turns green. Okay, so now the lockout mode is disabled. So you can just turn the light on now. To disable it, just hold down the power button for 3 seconds until it blinks red. Okay, now the lockout mode is on, and you can't turn it on accidentally. So once you have the light on, you can toggle between the floodlight and hybrid. So just double click, you can see one of the lights going off, and double click, both of them are on. To adjust the brightness, just hold down the up arrow to get it to the brightest setting, and then the down arrow to lower the brightness. So as mentioned earlier, this has app integration, and I found that controlling the features is a lot easier in the app. So looking at the top, you can see the temperature, you can see the battery level, you have the light sensor, you can turn that on or off, and then you also have your vibration sensor, which you can turn that on and off. And you can toggle the brightness. You can see the light on the right side there. And you can toggle how many lights are on. So right now, just one light, and then you can turn the second light on. You can also toggle the different modes. So right now, it's just on the light mode. You have the SOS. You have the flash. And then the quick flash. So this is the slow flash and then quick flash.
And now I'll show some daytime and nighttime footage of the light in use. So that's a look at the Magicshine Ray 2600B front bike light. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.